Hey, how's it going, everybody? In this video, we're going to be changing the fuel pump on a 2001 Honda Accord. So let's get into it. So on this vehicle, the pump is located under the carpet right there. So let's, you gotta pull all the stuff out. Oh, stand by. We got a clip right here. Yep. So that's our little access window. I'm gonna take that off and we'll have access to the top of the fuel tank. So as you saw, it's pretty easy to remove. These are all 8mm head fasteners. There was a bracket on this piece I needed to kind of pry off, and then another piece of that bracket was bolted right there. So we're gonna go with a Denso replacement fuel pump. This pump is located inside this piece here. We have to take this off, and I believe this hose here, hose clamp, and the whole thing slides out. So let's get started on doing that right now. Alright, so as you saw in the video, this little clip here holds the little filter here on the bottom of the fuel pump right there. Just got to use a tiny screwdriver and just slowly work it off each side until it's fully off. All right, well, that's finally back together. I don't know what kind of hose this rubber hose is, but that stuff was tough to work with. Didn't really slide on too easily, and it was really hard to cut. But it's all back together, and it's not time to install this. It's just the reverse of removing it. Okay, got that installed. Prime the key a couple times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so everything, you did everything right, should start right up. Alright. Pretty simple fuel pump exchange. We replaced this one because the car would have a long crank after sitting for a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is let this sit for like an hour, 2 hours, and see if it's doing the same thing. Because this is a returnless system. Everything's handled back there. There should be a check valve inside the fuel pump that keeps pressure in the lines. We think that was failing, and usually that's what it is. So we'll come back in an hour and check this out. Okay, it's about an hour later. Let's try to start this thing again. Prime. Alright. Yep, I think this one's fixed. So I'm gonna test this one more time, let it sit outside until the customer gets here. Probably be a couple hours, and we'll see what they say. Thanks for watching.